Let's start. So the question is a is equal to -4 -1 3 1. He is asking to find determinant of a power 2016 minus 2a power 2015 minus a power 2014. You have to find this. So I'll just give you some base, means I'll explain some steps. After that you have to do, because already these model problems we solved. Okay, what you do here in this determinant of a power 2014, you take common. Okay, so what do you get here? A square minus 2a minus 1. 1 means I told you to write I, right? If you 2 means 2i, 3 means 3i, right? This value you have to find. You know that mod AB value is what? Mod A into B is what? Mod A into mod B, right? Determinant of A into determinant of B. So what do you get here? Determinant of A power 2014 into determinant of a square minus 2a minus I. What is determinant of A? What is the matrix A here? This is A. What is the determinant of A here? -4 plus 3, that is equal to -1. AD minus BC. So this I get as minus, okay, all right. So a power 24 is there. What you get? Determinant of a power 24 is determinant of a whole power. You get determinant of a whole power 2014, right? And determinant of a square minus 2a minus I. So determinant of a is how much? -1. -1 power 2014 is how much? +1. So the answer is how much here? 1 into determinant of this. So determinant of this, how you will do? First you will find this matrix. So what you do here? A square minus 2a minus I matrix you find. A square means what here? -4 -1 3 1 should be multiplied with -4 -1 3 1 and -2 into A matrix, -4 -1 3 1 and minus what do you have? I, that is 1 0 0 1. Find this, you get a matrix. That determinant you find, put here. That result will be your answer. 1 into that. So that you can do it. Adding of determinants. Suppose 2 determinants have. 2 determinants when will be added means if you have any 2 rows, any 2 columns same. See that this row in both matrices same. Then only addition is possible. So how we will add this one? This addition will be taken place as we will add this one and this. A1 plus X, A2 plus Y, A3 plus Z, and we write as B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is what. So addition of determinants will be like this. If we have any 2 determinants whose any 2 rows are same or columns are same, we can keep them as it is here and we can add the unequal ones which are not equal, they we will add. So this is called as addition of determinants. And see here the 9th property also same vice versa, means if you have this one then you can separate, means reverse. If you have these two say suppose different, but you have any one row as adding, like any row or any column is adding of addition of something, so you can separate them. So again you can do subtraction, separate, and you can add. So this is the property number 8 and 9. You can do vice versa. So this is the question. See, separate method I said, no, you can separate it. So based on the separation. So here I think based on property number 9 this is. Okay, separation method. Now can we start? First listen, afterwards you can write. Yeah. What do you do here? Now you see that you have a determinant. and one row you have addition of other things. So you can separate this. How you can separate? What you do here? You write here A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So we write like this. And then plus symbol. Again what you write here? A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So which are there we will write same. The middle one we will separate. Okay, the middle one will separate. So what you write here? A, B, C, 2x, 2y, 2z. See, actually what? If you have this determinant, if you want to open and you have to do, it's a lengthy process. Like if I take here A into this, this into this, minus B into this, this into this, it's, if you solve it take a lot of time. Now this property, what happens here, these two are identical. Row 1, row 2 are identical. So what is the answer for this? 0. Plus here if I take 2 out, if I take 2 out, what I get here? A, B, C, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. These both are identical. This is also 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Answer is 0. So this takes lot of time. This takes easy. So that's what. This determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. I explained, right? Right? Right, sir? Already I explained, right? Determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into B. Okay. Last one, 10th, last property. After that we will start the problem. Elementary transformation. Most important. Make it star for this. Elementary transformation. Elementary transformation. So after this means if this is over, we will do only problems now. Elementary transformation. The value of determinant, the value of determinant remains same if we apply elementary transformation R1 implies R1 plus K times R2 plus M and Kp times R3 or C1 implies C1 plus K times C2 plus P times C2. M times, okay. Kmn, right? M times. So this is the last property. Okay, determine last property. This is called elementary transformation. Most important one. Most of the questions, but I will tell you shortcut methods. A shortcut method don't use for boards. So what do you do here? Yeah, MC2. M is a constant here. C1, C2, C3 is the column. Oh, MC3, sorry. MC3. Yeah, R1, K, R2, M, R3, C1, C1, K, C2, MC3. What is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. Suppose you have a matrix, okay? You have one matrix. They given like कुछ भी लिखता हूँ x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 7, 4, 7, 8, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 7. Suppose I am just taking like this. This determinant is there. I means simple one I wrote. We can use the difficult one also. I'll tell you later. If this matrix is there, I want to find the determinant of this one. So determinant of this one directly if I open, it takes a lot of time. Not only this, any things which are related to A, B, variables related, all this related very big equations will give you a lot of time. So for them to simplify, there is one transformation method. I'll give example afterwards. So I'll just explain the method first. I'll give you one example, nice example I'll explain. So now I want to solve this one. I have to think somewhat, like what I have to think is, I think that maybe I want to make any one row completely 1, 1. Or any one column completely 1, 1. Actually I have to make as 1, 0, 0 pattern. Every time remember, we have to make it 1, 0, 0 or 1, 0, 0 or 0, 0, any, if you become two things are 0, then determinant opening is easy, right? So we should use the brain, like little bit we have to use the brain. Some things will be there, very difficult, lengthy will be there, so we will not go directly open. What we will do here, we will do some operations here, okay? So after that operations we'll make 1, 1, like 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 1 like that. Then we will open the determinant. That is what we do. Suppose like here, if I want to do something here, suppose I want to change R1, suppose. I'll add this and this. If I add this and this, what I get? 2x. If I add this and this, what I get? 2x. If I add this and this, what I get? 2x. So what becomes here? I'm just taking generally this one. So what I can write is R1 I can write as, this R1 row I can write as R1 plus R3 I can change it. So when this determinant value how much will be there, after applying these operations, determinant will not be changed. That is the property says. Determinant never going to be changed. Same determinant only get. But we can do how much operations you want. Finally you have to make it a simple this one. I pick up the simple one, I will give you, wait for 5 minutes, I will give you good questions. So if I do this one, R1 plus R3, what I get here? I get 2x, because R1 is going to change. Here R1 says R1 plus R3, so R1 will change. So if I add R1 plus R3, I get 2x. So 2x, 2x, 2x. And remain places I write what here? 4, 7, 8, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 7 I'll write. Acha. After that also I feel not that much great. So I can take 2x, 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 I can take out. So all you can find 1, 1, 1, 1. That target should be there. Suppose I got 1, 1, 1, 1 target. If I removed 2x outside, so that determinant will not be changed, okay? So you get 1, 1, 1, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 7 you are going to get. Now I want to find, now this is becomes little simple. This determinant becomes simple, then this has become simple. We have to make more simple even. How I can make the more simple? I can make this is 0, this is 0. How can I make this is 0? I can use that C2 minus C1. So this has become 0. C3 minus C1. Then this has become 0. Don't do that. C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C2. Why? आपने इधर चेंज किया, फिर इधर आके फिर चेंज कर दिया. उसलिए मतलब नहीं होगा. ठीक, क्या करना है इधर? What I will say, I want to change suppose C1. So I will write C1 minus C3. Suppose I want. And if I want to make it, this is 0. Anything you can make it 0. You can make it anything 0. So if I can write as C1 implies I can write C1 minus C3. If I want C2, I write as C2 minus C3. So I did with C3. तो C3 तो ऐसा ही रहेगा. कौन चेंज होगा? C1, C2 चेंज होगा. So इससे ना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Okay. So if I do like that, what I get here? 2x into I get, this is a normal question, so even though directly you can open this. For JEE, nobody asks you how you did. You got the answer or not? and I will tell you shortcuts, then you feel that why we will learn these all, but both point of view you have to learn. Okay, so here this will become 0, this is become 0, our target only that. ये तो change नहीं होगा, 1 8 x minus 7 वैसा ही रहेगा. And what happened here, this I can change. So C1, what happening with C3, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 7 minus 8 minus 1, next x minus 2 x minus 7, so minus minus cancel, 5, here x plus 3, this 10. Now it is become more simple, C determinant. Now I can open with where? I can open from here. So 2x into, if I open, what I get here, minus, this is if I am opening from here, na, 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0, 1 into you will get. What you will get here, 1 into minus 40 minus 5. So I am getting how much? 2x into minus 45. How much I am getting? Minus 90x. See, at very good. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. 70x. Right? So, देखो. See, if you open this one, it takes lot of time. But by doing some operations, you are making easy. Calculation becomes easy. And we will do better good questions. Just I explain normally this one. Okay? Note down. राइट राइट स्टार्ट करते हैं ना. अब देखो, बोला आप अभी क्या कर रहे तो अच्छा है. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, सी आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी. व्हाट आई टोल्ड, आवर टारगेट शुड मेक एस 1 0 0. नाउ टेल मी, 1 0 0 आई हैव टू मेक. नाउ यू से हाउ टू डू, दैट इज ओनली थिंकिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर बोथ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हैव टू डू दिस थिंग्स. जेई के लिए ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. Okay, right sir? Subtraction of first column with third. चलो sir, देखो. See here, now what I am doing here, R2, right? I am targeting R2. Can I write as R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. मैंने क्या करा, R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. What happens with that? ये 0 होगा ना. हाँ. Next R3. What I write, R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? बहुत बहुत फ़ायदा हो गया. So here A 0 0 target, एक target finish हो गया. So here now I can write here R2 minus 2R1. What I got? Tell me. A plus B, correct? R1 will not be here. Who is doing here? R2 R3 is going to change. R1 will not be changed. So R1 I can keep as it is. Right? R1 will not be changed. Right? R1 will not be changed. Now here what I get here? 3A. See here, you are not getting 3A plus 2B into 2 twice this. Should I write steps? Should I write steps? Right step. So either 3A plus 2B, this is R2 minus 2 times of A plus B, right? Now 6A plus 3B minus 3 times of A plus B. This is no need to write here. You can do rough work and you can do here. Now I will do rough work, I will write here. So what I there here, next. 10a, sorry, this is 4a plus 3b plus 2c minus, I'm multiplying twice, right? 2a minus 2b minus 2c, this is gone. 2a minus 2a plus b, so I get here 2a plus b answer, correct? Then what I get here, 10a plus 6b plus 3c minus, tell me, 3a minus 3b minus 3c, fatafat. This is cancelled, tell me fast. 7a plus 3b, right? 7a plus 3b. We don't have time, so we have to finish fast. Yes, sir? See here, a 0 0. Now a plus b plus c. Now this is becomes what here, a plus b. Cancel, a only get. Right, next 3a only, right? 3a. Next 2a plus b, 7a plus 3b. Now you can determine, open determine, no problem. 2 zeros again, so we can open it. So what do you get? A into, now what I get here? A into 7a plus 3b minus 2a plus b into 3a. So now determinant becomes simple. So that's what we have to do. So 7a cubed plus 3a square b minus 6a square minus 3ab. No. See here, this a is whole multiplying, right? So this becomes 6a cubed, 7a, 3a square b. This is gone, so answer is a cube. Yeah, this is right answer, right?